Hello and welcome to this new topic, rhyme and assonance. So let's find out what assonance actually means. So rhyme and assonance can both be very effective in poetry and stories. Assonance is where two or more words contain the same vowel sound. The words may also rhyme, but they don't have to. So for example, sly, crime, resign. Rhyming words end with the same sound. Groups of rhyming words are also examples of assonance because they contain the same vowel sound. So for example, tongue, hung, and young. So assonance is where two or more words contain the same vowel sound. But the words may rhyme, but they don't have to. So whereas the rhyming words here at the bottom, tongue, hung, and young, they all rhyme, assonance words don't have to. So sly, crime, resign. So it's that I that we're kind of using within these three words. The I, if you pronounce these to yourself closely, sly, crime, resign. Can you see I'm saying I all three times when I'm actually pronouncing these assonance words? And that's what we call assonance. All right, you just have to get your tongue around these words. So keep practicing sly, crime, resign. So it's that I kind of sound that I'm using makes these words assonance. So this is a new technique. Rhyming words are pretty easy. Tongue, hung, young. They all end with kind of like similar phrases and vowel sounds. So it's pretty easy to ascertain what they are. Let's have a look at the first example. So the group of words below are all examples of assonance. Look at them carefully and choose the option with the group of words that do not rhyme. So in this case, call, ball, maul does rhyme. Let's go to B. Cave, gave, save does rhyme. C, don't, no, going does not rhyme. Seed, weed, and feed does rhyme. Okay, so don't, know, and going in this case will be three words that will not rhyme. But some of the other questions later on afterwards are group of words whereby you'll have to choose which ones are assonance words. All right, let's have a look at this example. The groups of words below are all examples of assonance. Look at them carefully and choose the option with the group of words that do not rhyme. So do the same thing again. All right, so remember assonance words has the same vowel sound. They can and they can't rhyme, okay, at the same time. So just be very, very careful which group of words do not rhyme in this case for added practice, and we'll follow this up in our next lesson. Take care.